right now on Fox 5 News at 5.
Well, the American Academy of Pediatrics is now recommending a certain medication to help young people that are struggling with opioid addiction.
Well, Stratyner shows us how the strategy can help kids kick the habit.
It is a common topic amongst medical professionals, how to combat the opioid addiction problem in our youth.
An oral surgeon may prescribe an opiate if somebody has an addiction or a genetic predisposition to addiction. Then you have to be cognizant of that.
Cognizant of the fact that the illicit opioid use in our country has more than doubled between 1991 and 2012. Those numbers soaring astronomically among those ages 12 to 25.
It's how people were prescribing. After a while, people for 4 impacted wisdom teeth, where maybe you give somebody, 12 to 15 Vicodin, they were giving them 30.
The overprescribing resulting in addiction. Yet 90% of drug-addicted youth get no treatment at all, according to the 2012 National Survey of Drug Use and Health. Medical professionals like Dr. Stratyner discussing a drug that may be able to help combat this problem.
When we talk about buprenorphine, we have to talk about 2 words, agonist, antagonist. An agonist is a drug that will give you somewhat of a little high. An antagonist is something that will block the high and take the place of what the opiate that you're taking would do.
Dr. Stratyner explaining that buprenorphine is an agonist.
It gives a little bit of a high, and as a result, you do the buprenorphine, which is not as big a high as the opiate, and therefore you use buprenorphine maybe for 6 months to a year, and you get off the drug of choice, the opiate, like oxycodone or Percocet, Vicodin, etc.
Another approach to combating a problem that is taking the lives of too many of our youth.
Have someone placed on something like buprenorphine, you are doing harm reduction and ultimately saving your child's life, and that's what it's about.
Now, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, drug overdoses now kill nearly 44,000 Americans a year. That is more than car accidents. Another reason why this issue, you guys, is so pressing.
Incredible
It really
indeed.
is frightening. Thank you, Melissa.